this video, I will show you how to repair a Thetford Aqua-Magic II toilet to hold water in the bowl. Get yourself ready to work on the toilet. Put your rubber gloves on. Don't want to get anything under your fingernails that you won't be able to get out later on. Note that the water is turned off to your RV. Using a bucket of soapy water, take your scrubbing brush and clean your potty well, using circular motions. Now, open up the valve that goes down into the holding tank and scrub under there really good, up and down and around, making sure that you get everything as clean as possible. Now, get a rag and open up that valve again. Get down in there with your finger and clean that seal really good, underneath, on the top side, between it and the toilet bowl, between the bottom of the seal and the pipe going down into the sewer itself. Clean it, clean it, clean it. It needs to be as clean as you can get it. Alright, have your grease ready. Put it where it's going to be available to you. Take your finger and dip it in that grease and then slather it all over the inside of that seal. Make sure that you well coat the seal. Get it in between the bowl and the seal. Force it in there with your finger. You'll feel it going in. Make sure that you cover everything you can with that silicone grease. Go back and make sure that you get plenty of grease underneath that seal, between the two, because this is the area that's going to make contact with the valve as it opens and closes. And you're not going to want to wear that grease away easily. So make sure that you well coat the seal area below it. Alright, a little more grease. Now we're going to make sure that the valve closes completely. Open and close it a couple times. Get the grease moving into the locations. And now one more time, add a little more grease. Again, this stuff is cheap and it'll last a long time. It'll make this thing seal well. I've gone out, turned the water back onto the RV, come back in here, and we got a lot of pressure at this campground. I put some soapy water in the bowl, and now I'm going to fill the bowl up. That's a good amount. I'm going to let this sit for a while, but I know it's going to seal. One thing about this repair, it'll last about 12 weeks. It takes 5 minutes. Cleaning, 5 minutes to put the grease on, turn the water back on. It lasts a long time. And then you'll know when the bowl won't hold the water anymore. It's time to grease that seal up. Don't even think about placing the seal. Just get some of this silicone grease. See if I can get a zoom in here. And just lather up that seal. And everything will be in tip-top shape again. Once you put silicone grease all over that seal, you'll be amazed. Oops, there goes my bucket. This thing's going to hold water for weeks and weeks and weeks and not have any issues. And then when it does, after I dump, leave the water off, clean it up, grease it up, go about our business for another 12 to 14 weeks. I mean, go about our business.